Did you know that some motorcycles can go over 100,000 miles without major repairs? That's right. Today we're diving into the top 10 most reliable motorcycles out there. Whether you're a cruiser fan, an adventure seeker, or into classic bikes, these bikes have earned a reputation for going the distance without leaving you stranded. So let's rev those engines and kick things off. 1. Honda Super Cub, the timeless classic. First up, we have the Honda Super Cub, a bike that's not only legendary but incredibly reliable. Released in 1958, this bike has sold over 100 million units, making it the best-selling motor vehicle of all time. Talk about a workhorse. The Super Cub isn't about speed. Its 8-horsepower engine will top out around 60 miles per hour. But that's not its goal. It's all about simplicity. There are no complex electronics, just a straightforward engine that's easy to maintain. You only need basic tools for regular upkeep: oil changes, spark plugs, and air filters. And this bike will keep you going year after year. However, keep in mind, it's not built for high speeds. Drum brakes and no ABS means it's not the safest for highway use. But if you're cruising around town, the Super Cub is an absolute gem. Plus, its lightweight and easy handling make it a favorite for city commuters. 2. Yamaha Vstar 250, quietly reliable. Next, we've got the Yamaha Vstar 250, a motorcycle that quietly proves its reliability. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced rider, the Vstar 250 has earned its stripes with a tough air-cooled engine that starts every time. Its low seat height and smooth gear shifts make it an excellent choice for those starting their riding journey. It may not be the bike for highway speeds or hard braking, but for short trips or leisurely rides, it's a solid companion. And the best part? Very low maintenance, just regular oil changes, and it's good to go. 3. Suzuki SV650. Power meets reliability. Now let's talk about the Suzuki SV650, a bike that's been around for years and is known for its reliable 645 cubic centimeter V-twin engine. Whether you're new to riding or a seasoned pro, this bike strikes the perfect balance between power and practicality. Many owners report getting over 100,000 miles with just regular maintenance. The SV650 is perfect for daily commuting, weekend rides, and everything in between. Its easy-to-manage engine and sturdy frame make it a solid choice for riders of all levels. However, while it's a great all-rounder, it's not packed with modern safety features like traction control or cornering ABS, so keep that in mind. 4. Honda CRF 300L, the off-road warrior. If you're into off-roading, then the Honda CRF 300L is a must-consider. This dual-purpose bike is lightweight, has a tough 286 cubic centimeter engine, and is built to take on trail and city roads alike. It's made to handle all conditions, whether you're off-roading or just running errands. The easy-to-maintain engine makes it a favorite for riders who like to do their own repairs. Oil changes, valve checks, and air filter cleaning are simple tasks, and with its smooth fuel system, the CRF 300L performs reliably in the toughest conditions. However, it's worth noting that on highways, this bike may feel a little unstable at high speeds, especially in wind. It's also lacking ABS on some versions, so make sure you're comfortable with its basic braking system before hitting the road. 5. Suzuki V-Strom 650, the reliable adventurer. For adventure seekers, the Suzuki V-Strom 650 is a fantastic choice. This bike features a 645 cubic centimeter V-twin engine that's well known for being tough and reliable. Whether you're on a long road trip or daily commuting, the V-Strom delivers a smooth ride with excellent fuel efficiency. The bike is simple in design, meaning fewer parts to go wrong. Regular maintenance like oil changes and valve checks will keep this bike running for years. While it does have modern features like ABS and traction control, it's still a tall bike, so it may not be the best fit for shorter riders. 6. BMW R1200GS, the long-distance legend. Let's talk about the BMW R1200GS, a motorcycle built for long-distance adventures. This bike is powered by a 1,170 cubic centimeter engine that can easily handle hundreds of thousands of miles, and it's a favorite for globetrotters. Whether you're crossing continents or just taking a long ride, the R1200 GS is built to last. Its shaft drive means less maintenance, and its electronic suspension adapts to different terrains. This bike is highly reliable, but keep in mind, it's a bit more complex to repair if something does go wrong, and the parts can be expensive. Also, its size might be a bit much for beginners or those riding on rough terrain. 7. Yamaha TW200, the underdog. Next, we have the Yamaha TW200, a bike that's been around since the 1980s and is still going strong today. With its 196 cubic centimeter engine, the TW200 is built to be simple, rugged, and reliable. It's especially popular among off-road enthusiasts thanks to its wide tires, which give it exceptional grip on dirt, sand, and even snow. While it's not the fastest bike out there, its low maintenance and tough design make it a great choice for campers, off-road riders, or anyone needing a bike that can go the distance without a lot of care. 8. Honda CB750, the birth of the superbike. Let's throw it back to the Honda CB750, the bike that essentially started the superbike era in the 1960s. This bike's air-cooled 736 cubic centimeter engine was revolutionary at the time and is still known for its reliability today. With its smooth power and easy-to-maintain design, the CB750 set the standard for how long a bike should last. While it doesn't have modern safety features like ABS, it's a true classic, and if you're willing to put in the work, it can keep running for decades. 9. Kawasaki Ninja 250R, the little beast. The Kawasaki Ninja 250R is one of the best small bikes in terms of reliability. Its 249 cubic centimeter engine is built to last and can handle all kinds of riding, even if you're not always perfect with maintenance. Many owners have racked up over 50,000 miles without any major issues. It's lightweight, fun to ride, and easy to care for, making it a great choice for beginners. But like other small bikes, it's not packed with modern safety features, and highway riding might not be its strong suit. 10. Honda Goldwing, the ultimate touring bike. And finally, the Honda Goldwing. If you're looking for a bike that can last over 200,000 miles with just regular care, look no further than the Goldwing. Built for comfort and long-distance touring, it's got a massive engine and features like heated grips, built-in GPS, and an ultra-comfortable seat. While it's a bit heavy at 850 pounds, the Goldwing is known for its smooth ride and durability. It's not the best bike for new riders, but if you love long-haul riding, this bike will be your best friend for years to come. So there you have it, the top 10 most reliable motorcycles that have stood the test of time. Whether you're looking for a city commuter, an off-road warrior, or a touring companion, these bikes offer incredible longevity and minimal maintenance. Which one is your favorite? Drop a comment below and let us know which bike you'd take for a spin. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a ride with us. Until next time, keep the rubber side down and ride safe.